Hello guys, today I'm going to be talking about a product called the Yokekon portable blender slash juicer. It's summertime, it's hot, everyone wants liquids, cold liquids, and there's no better time for you to have a juicer, portable juicer than now. I'm going to talk about what I like about it, what I don't like, and if it's something you should get. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Welcome to the show, GV Tech. I'm G Vader. Let's get to it. Hey, so guys, here it is. Let's just give it an open. It came from Amazon, so okay, great. Let's put this on the side as usual. We don't want this to be bothering us anymore. So there you have it. It's small. I was expecting it to be much more larger. You can say it's about 20 cm in height. That's what I would just eyeballing it. Yeah, you have it. The Yokekon. I don't know how you pronounce this, but that's what it is. So it's portable. Let's open it up. A portable blender and juicer. So it's, like I said, it's summer, the time of the year where everything is hot. Today is really hot, to be honest. Ooh, whoa. Now, talk about slick. This looks slick and sexy. I don't think ooh, that's got some heft. Let's just see. This is nice. I know you have a couple of smart stuff now. Everything's getting smart these days. You have smart blenders. So this is a portable blender. Yeah, this is what everyone throws away until they're in trouble. What else is in here? Oh, just a charger. Okay, great. It's not USB-C. We're still using a micro USB, but I reckon in the next 2 years, literally everything is going to go to USB-C. Apple is being forced to change all their lightning cables to USB-C in EU at least. So here it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to charge this bad boy up and then go through the manual and see how we can use it and get back to you. Hey, so I'm back. I've had it charged for a bit. What I have done is to charge this and get some fruits as well. So I have some strawberries that I've cut up and then some seedless grapes, mixed grapes. So that's red and grade 1 sweet grapes. So we're gonna give this bad boy a try. And going through the manual, it says it can run continuously for 30 seconds. After that, it just also switches off and then you have to switch it on again. You can see where there's a measurement. Now that's something that should have been placed here. So if it had scales here to show the maximum and minimum limit, that would have been good, but it doesn't. So you're just gonna eyeball it and use your, like we say in worry, use your church mind. So I'm just gonna put some in here. Let's hope it's not too much. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use a bit and see if it works fine. I will increase it. So let's go baby. You have to not let it oh wow, and there it is. It is doing its work. Okay, so it says after 30 seconds it will stop. I think, check, it looks good to me. Oh wow, so okay, let's just see what the viscosity is like. Okay, wow, okay, yummy. So it's a bit, it has some rough edges in it, which is how I like it. But you can go further and let it blend, and then it gets to a small, kind of smoothie-like taste. I mean, feel, viscosity, so to speak. And they've warned about not putting ice in here or any really strong substance. Just make sure they're all chopped up in bits. But it looks good. So it's this is what you get. Really nice. It's a bit viscous, but that's because I don't want to go further than this. I like it the way it is. perfect. All I need to do is pop in some ice and I'm good to go. So all in all, I would say it's a brilliant product. I like it. It's something you should get. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to charge, but it goes on for 30 minutes. So that's it. It's easy. One of the things again that I would mention is be careful with this, because it has a sharp blade. So it's not something you want the little ones to be around. Thanks for watching. Until next time, where I review something else, who knows what it might be. Take care of yourself and enjoy the summer. G Vader signing out. Peace.